Hello and welcome everyone in my today's live stream. Thank you so much everybody for joining my live today. I really appreciate everyone you all have come to join my live. A very warm good afternoon to everybody who all have joined my today's live stream. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining my live. I really appreciate everyone. This live stream is going to be something different, everyone. Okay, so in today's live stream, I'm going to discuss about something different, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to discuss about our new project, which is Get Live new project Hodler Airdrop White, which is WHITE, everyone. Okay, so this is the Hodler Airdrop, everyone. Okay, so this is the new listing of the get.io which I'm going to discuss with you all. I just want you people stay connected till the end of this live stream, everybody, so that you will not miss out any important updates which I'm going to share with you all, everyone. Okay, everybody, I hope everybody is doing fine, doing great. Okay, for more information, you should be joining this live stream till the end, everyone. Okay, so very good afternoon, everyone. Very good afternoon, everybody. Now I'm going to discuss the detailing. Okay, everybody, I hope everybody has joined this live stream. Okay, everyone. So now this is the information. Okay, I'll start with the basic information, everybody, then I'll be proceeding to the detailing of this project, everyone. So get.io will list, which has been listed, will list not, it has been listed White Rock, which is WHIT, spot trading and launch Hodler airdrop, everyone. Users holding at least 1 GT can share 80 lakh white tokens for free, everyone. Just you need to do what? You just need to hold at least 1 GT. Okay? Okay, everyone. So the Hodler airdrop is exclusively for GT holders, everyone. So this you need to understand कि ये Hodler airdrop किसके लिए exclusively आता आया introduce किया जाता है, guys. Okay. So this is basically for the GT holders, my dear loved ones. Okay, ये GT holders के लिए है. After the White Rock, which is WHITE, airdrop concludes. No funds will be deducted from participants. Okay, यहाँ पे after the White Rock drops concludes, no funds will be deducted from the participants. Airdrop details. Okay, so this is the airdrop details, everyone. Hodler airdrop end time. End time हमारा क्या है? It is tomorrow onwards around 8 a.m. everyone. Okay, tomorrow, May 19th, 2025, 8 a.m. UTC, everyone. Total supply, if you'll see here, is 80 lakh white. Okay, 80 lakh white, everybody. Unlocking rules is there, 100% unlocking rules. Okay, everyone, 100% to unlock. You can start your trading. Trading will start from May 19, 2025 from 12 p.m. UTC, everybody. Okay. Trading pair is also given here. White. Okay, white USDT. Okay. Participation rules is just a basic. You all must be knowing this. Complete identity verification. It is very much important that you should be done with your identity verification. Okay, and hold at least 1 GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holding snapshot proportion. The maximum participation limit for each users in this event. Okay, each users in this event is 3000 GT. Okay, how to claim the airdrop? Login and complete identity verification. Go to launch pool, select Hodler airdrop, hold at least 1 GT, click join now. Okay, everybody, Hodler airdrop frequently asked questions. I'll go through all that important updates, everybody. ठीक है, ये भी हम लोग देखेंगे. हमारा होल्डर एयर ड्रॉप और फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, गो थ्रू करना. अबाउट वाइट रॉक एवरीबॉडी. ओके, सो अबाउट वाइट रॉक ये हम लोग डिटेलिंग भी देखेंगे इसकी. तो ये थोड़ा सा बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन था फ्रॉम द अनाउंसमेंट सेक्शन आई हैव गिवन यू. ओके, आई हैव गिवन यू फ्रॉम द अनाउंसमेंट सेक्शन. सो दिस इज द बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन एवरीवन. तो थोड़ा सा डिस्क्लेमर दे दूं. सो वाइट रॉक इज अ रियल वर्ल्ड एसेट्स प्रोटोकॉल designed to tokenize economic rights to traditional financial assets like stocks, okay, bonds, property options and derivatives. By bridging traditional finance with blockchain, white rock unlocks global liquidity and simplifies access to equities, fixed income and other investments. With a focus on transparency, with a focus on transparency uh, and efficiency, white rock empowers users to trade tokenized assets seamlessly while complying with global regulations. Okay, reshaping the future of finance. Token name is white rock, token symbol is white, token supply is this much, erc is 20, and the token id is also given here everybody. Okay, ये टोकन आईडी हमारा यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. Okay, token distribution ratio and unlocking rules. Public LP 65%, core contributors is 20%, airdrop is 5%, marketing is 5%. Okay, future private sale treasury is 5%. Everyone, website is also given here, white paper is also given here. I'll be going through all the important updates everybody, all the important updates. Okay, notes is also given here. I will be going through that as well. Okay, this ये हमारा frequently asked questions है. First I'll give you the detailing about this white hodler airdrop project everybody. Okay, so this is in progress. You can start claiming for free. If you are a GT holder, you can start claiming for free everyone. Okay, total airdrop, just have a look everybody, the data here. टोटल एयर ड्रॉप देखा जाए तो लिमिट्स आप देख सकते हो कितनी है. पार्टिसिपेंट्स की बात की जाए तो इट्स 13,915 एवरीवन. पार्टिसिपेंट्स हमारा 13,915 देखने को मिल रहा है. पर जीटी की बात की जाए तो इट्स 16.76 वाइट. ओके, पर जीटी 16.76 वाइट. Individual participation cap is also worth watching. It's 3000 GT everyone. Okay, if it's 3000 GT everybody. Everyone, I would like to say one thing. If someone wanted to ask me any question, if somebody wanted to clear out their doubt, please do let me know everybody. Ask me the questions. Okay, ask me the questions everyone. I'm here to help you out guys. Okay, feel free to ask me the questions everybody. ठीक है एवरीवन, यहाँ पे देखो ये है विद इन द इंडिविजुअल पार्टिसिपेशन कैप, द मोर जीटी यू हैव, the more airdrops you will receive. This everybody must be knowing everyone, that within the individual participation cap, the more GT you have, the more airdrops you will be receiving everyone. Okay, so here we have the project information. Within the individual participation cap, the more GT you have, the more airdrops you will receive. Project introduction. White Rock is a real world assets protocol designed to tokenize economic rights to traditional financial assets like stocks, bonds, property, options, and derivatives. By bridging traditional finance with blockchain, White Rock unlocks global liquidity and simplifies access to equities, fixed income, and other investments. With a focus on transparency and efficiency, everybody. With a focus on transparency and efficiency. It is a very important line, everybody, about this wonderful project. White Rock White Rock empowers. White Rock empowers users to trade tokenized assets seamlessly while complying with global regulation, reshaping the future of finance. Okay, who is the founder? So the founder name is given here, Maxime Pizzolito. Okay, Pizzolito. So founder is Maxime Pizzolito. DevOps engineer, previous experience at Thales, March 2025 to September 2025. Okay, Intenge in Zeth, January 2023 to Feb 24, graduate of Polytech and Montpellier in cloud operations. Okay, so this is the detailing of this wonderful person who has introduced this wonderful project. Okay, so guys, I have always suggested you one thing: before doing investment in any project, you should be clear out their visions. You should know what are their highlights, what is the purpose of introducing this one something wonderful projects. Okay, so guys, here is the vision and the highlight. So what is this? White Rock is the first raw tokenization. Okay, this you need to listen very carefully, everyone. Okay, White Rock is the first raw tokenization protocol to secure a comprehensive FSCA brokerage license to T plus zero settlement time, completely eliminating the standard T plus 2 settlement cycle, everyone. So this is the very very important news, everyone. ये देख सकते हो यहाँ पे विजन्स यहाँ पे इनका दिया हुआ है हमारे. अब टोकेनॉमिक्स की बात कर लेते हैं. टोकेनॉमिक्स इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर कि हमें मालूम चले कि टोकेनॉमिक्स क्या है इसकी. तो यहाँ पे देखेंगे वाइट विच इज WHIT will power our planned hyper speed order book based decentralized exchange, which is DEX. White will also be instrumental in our upcoming lending platform, everyone. Okay, so this is also a very important news. Okay, ओके एवरीबॉडी, टेक्निकल ओवरव्यू देख लेते हैं. हमारा टेक्निकल ओवरव्यू क्या कहता है? टेक्निकल ओवरव्यू देखें तो यूजर ऑन बोर्डिंग रजिस्ट्रेशन, Web3 wallet creation, KYC and AML verification, USDT deposits, redemption. Okay. Back-end operations, everybody, back-end operations, compliance approval, order processing. Okay, everyone. Money flow, USDT conversion to USD, investment in the deep sea fund by Akula, White Rock trusted fund manager, broker integration, custodial services, and asset management, custodian services, deep sea fund tokenization. Okay, so they are the detailing of the technical overview of this wonderful project, everyone. Okay, token allocations देख लेते हैं everybody. Token allocations is also very very much important. You need to look into. So guys, token distribution ratio and unlocking rules. Public LP is 65%. Okay, public LP is 65%. Core contributors is 20%. Airdrop is 5%. Marketing is 5%. Future private sell treasury is 5%, everyone. So this is the strong detailing, strong token allocations of the hodler airdrop, which is white. Okay, risk reminder we will go through. We will go through the risk reminder, everyone. Okay, so these are the some frequently asked questions about the hodler airdrop. If somebody is new here, so you should be listening this carefully, everyone, because I am going through the hodler airdrop frequently asked questions. What is actually our hodler airdrop? Okay, and why they are so famous and why they are exclusive for the GT holders. Okay, so I am going to discuss each and every information with you all. So what is the hodler airdrop? You must be having this query in your mind, what is actually this hodler airdrop is. So guys, here hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT which get token. Okay guys, GT is get token holders. Users only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share airdrop tokens based on their holdings proportions. Okay. What are the requirements to participate in the hodler airdrop? Okay, everyone. So participants must complete identity verification and hold at least one GT. You need to done with your identity verification, everyone. Identity verification is very much important, everybody. Okay, and you need to hold at least one GT. All right. Now, what is the GT holding participation limit? Okay, limits is also very important. You need to identify. So, guys, just small little things. Okay, it's very important कि आप इसको आइडेंटिफाई करो एंड ये आप इसको समझो. ओके, छोटी छोटी बातों को समझना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाती है. ओके, इफ सम अगर कुछ प्रोजेक्ट पे इन्वेस्टमेंट करने जा रहे हो तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इवन द स्मॉल information about that particular project. So the GT holding participation limit may vary for each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project's airdrop announcement. Alright? How are airdrop tokens distributed, everybody? Must be ये बहुत ही बड़ा क्वेश्चन है कि यहाँ पे एयर ड्रॉप टोकन्स कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को लेकर बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक मिथ है कि ये कैसे हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन यहाँ पर हमारा इट एक्टेड. ओके एवरीबडी, हाउ इट एक्ट्स लाइक. All those who have joined my live, thank you so much everybody for joining my live today. This is your hodler airdrop information, everybody. This is your hodler airdrop information. Thank you so much everybody for joining my live. I really appreciate everybody. You all have come to join my live today. Thank you so much everyone. Okay guys, so what is the, here is the information, what is the GT holding participation limits. Okay, ये GT holding participation limits को समझना बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है. The GT holding participation limit may vary for each project. Okay, may vary for each project. Okay everybody, the specific limit will be clearly stated in each project's airdrop announcement. I have gone through, यहाँ पर limits मैंने बताया है, बता रखा है आपको guys, limits क्या है यहाँ पर. Okay everybody, total supply is 80 lakh white. Okay, so limits is given here. So ये वही बात हो रही है यहाँ पे कि limits क्या, clearly stated in the each project's airdrop announcement. Okay, how are airdrop tokens distributed? Okay, ये हो गया. चलो, airdrop tokens distributed, what is the process? Okay everybody, what is the process? यहाँ पर क्या प्रोसेस है हमारा airdrop token distribution का. So we will take a snapshot of your GT holdings at the time of participation and at the end of the airdrop. Airdrop tokens will be distributed based on your GT holdings proportion of the total snapshot amount. The larger the holding, the more airdrop tokens you will receive. Tokens received is equals to minimum GT assets at airdrop participations, GT assets at airdrop end by total GT assets of all project participation multiplied by total airdrop amount rounded to the nearest whole number, everyone. Okay, so can I participate in multiple hodler airdrop? So the answer is yes. The answer is big yes, as long as you hold enough GT. Okay, everyone, at each project snapshot time and meet the participation requirements, you can participate in multiple hodler airdrops. Will I definitely receive tokens if I participate? There must be in a query, everybody must be having this query. Will I definitely receive token if I participate? So users holding at least 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrop, provided they maintain at least 1 GT at the snapshot time. Okay? If any question, if any query, if you people have, please do ask me, everyone. Do ask me and clear out your doubts, everyone. It's very important that you should clear out your doubts. Okay, everyone. Okay, so how can I check my airdrop tokens? Rewards will be calculated and distributed within T plus 1 days. After the project ends, you can check your participation history in Launchpool Hodler airdrop. What should I do if I haven't received my airdrop tokens? Must be having question. बहुत questions होते हैं. If you didn't receive airdrop tokens, please first check if you meet the participation criteria or the requirements and confirm your GT holdings at the snapshot time. If the issue persists, please contact customer support. Okay, चलो एवरीवन, ये तो हम लोगों ने देख लिया. अब यहाँ पे है हमारा ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है. दिस इज द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ वाइट रॉक, गाइज. यू कैन डू योर ओन रिसर्च बाय गोइंग to their official website, which is whiterock.fi. Okay, whiterock.fi. Okay, this is the official website. Okay guys, देख सकते हो यहाँ पे everything on chain, USDT 10,000. Buy stock, bonds and properties with crypto. ओके, दे आर दी पार्टनर्स. देख सकते हो, दे आर दी पार्टनर्स यहाँ पे बिल्ट विथ द पार्टनर्स नेम आज गिवन हियर. All going through these names are the partners. Okay, proven and reliable. Trusted technology. Okay everybody, they are providing you the trusted technology. $150 million plus total value logged. Assets secured by our smart contracts. 12,600 plus users. People who use and trust White Rock. $100 million plus trading volume. Everybody, you need to look into this number, this data. They have $100 million plus trading volume. Can you imagine, guys? Okay, processed through our assets. All right, bonds, stocks, properties is also given here. Permissionless trading, they are providing you the permissionless trading, which is of 24/7, everyone. Experience true financial freedom by trading shares of a company's properties or bonds anytime, anywhere. Our platform breaks down the barriers of traditional markets, empowering you to trade beyond market. Ours no longer is this only limited to the bigger player, everybody. So guys, this key component, okay, this key component is providing you the information of this wonderful project, everybody. Okay, this key component is bringing the exclusivity about this project. Okay, here, so they are providing you the permissionless trading 24/7, everyone. Okay, आप कभी भी इसको ट्रेड कर सकते हो. There is a no bondation of our There is no foundation of the market tower. Okay, no longer is the only this only limited to the bigger players. Okay, fully on chain, guys, they are fully on chain. So by keeping everything on chain, we guarantee transparency, immutability, and trust in every transaction. No hidden fees, no third party interference, just pure permissionless trading at your fingertips, everyone. Okay, just pure permissionless trading at your fingertips. Okay, fully on chain. These are the key components, everyone. These are the key components of this wonderful project. Okay, Rockstar, hold. Thank you so much, Rockstar, for joining my live. So, redefining how you invest and save. Okay, investment is a part, but saving is our asset. Okay, everyone. So, saving is also very much important. Okay, saving is also very much important. Earn 5% on your USDT. Okay, everybody, earn 5% on your USDT. USDX is a high yield savings account on chain. Okay, USDX यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. The company behind USDT makes to 20 billion per year. USDX is a stable coin just like USDT, but the profits are distributed back to the users. Okay, everyone. So these are the important updates. Trust, transparency, and the security, everyone. Okay, they are giving you the trust, transparency, and the security. Experienced, trusted, and the secure, everyone. Security they are providing you. Our platform is built on transparency and security. Every transaction is processed on the blockchain through smart contracts audited by PEC Shield, ensuring a streamlined and secure experience. Okay, frequently asked questions भी हमारा है. So they have provided about their enough information, everybody. Okay, so guys, here the White Rock Finance is building a bridge for the new financial system. By bridging the gap between the traditional financial system and DeFi, we believe that we can unlock trillions in liquidity. There is just the start. If you have any question or interest in helping us achieve our mission, you can reach out to contact at the rate White Rock. They have provided you the link, everybody. If you have any query, okay, if you have any question, okay, so please go through this at the rate whiterock.fa. You can share your query. They will help you out, okay, in clearing your doubt, everybody. Okay, so now here is the big question: why White Rock, everyone? Okay, you must be having this question, everybody. Why White Rock? Why White Rock? You must be having this question. Okay, so about a year ago, let me ये वाला देखिए. Sam Altman, not anything easy is not worth doing. Okay, I'll go through this one, but let me finish this part because this part is very much important. Okay, so here, White Rock Brokers Private Limited is regulated by Financial Sector Conduct Authority, which is FSCA, as a licensed financial services provider under license number 53229. Okay, they have provided you their license number as well, everybody. Okay, लाइसेंस नंबर की बात की जाए तो इट्स 53229. ओके. White Rock Brokers is incorporated under company registration number 2021 32189807. These are the very relevant informations which I am reading out right now, everyone. Registration number देख सकते हो, license number, and located at 48 Dan Pioneer Circle, Plum Street, Cape Town, Western Cape 7800, South Africa. This FSCA license covers the handling of client funds for the purpose of purchasing stocks on behalf of clients. All clients must first complete KYC and AML procedure as a part of the onboarding process. Okay. So guys, White Rock Swiss is regulated under Swiss law to issue ERC20 share tokens. The ERC20 share tokens represent a fractional claim to a tracker certificate backed by real world assets and are not covered with the FSCA license. Guys, this line is also very much important. Okay, this line is also very much important. Risk free yield refers to investments with very low risk under common US market standards. While these assets are considered highly secure, they are not entirely without risk. Investors should be aware that all investments carry some degree of risk. Yes, it is very true. White Rock does not provide investment tax or legal advice. You should consult with qualified professionals regarding your personal situation. Any educational material made available by White Rock, including blog posts, articles, and third party content, does not constitute financial investment or trading advice. We are not responsible for your personal tax compliance. Alright, everyone. So, these were the important updates, important information about this wonderful project of the Hodler airdrop, the new listing. Now we'll see ki why White Rock. Okay, so I am explaining you the information about this project, guys. You must be having this query into your mind. Definitely, you must be having this query into your mind that why White Rock, everybody. Okay, why you choose White Rock over others, and why it is so important. About a year ago, I wanted to get into biotech stocks after getting inspired by GCR's GLP-1 agonist shills. However, at the time, I found myself with an irresponsible chunk of it net worth tied up on chain, primarily in ETH. Getting these funds off chain into a bank and then deposited with a broker to leverage long on EL1, Nevo, would be impossible. Hell, I have gotten bank accounts closed for baseless. So this is the whole story. एंड देखना है कि यहाँ पे कुछ important information. I will not go through all the informations. Okay, I will just pick it out the important lines, and I'll be sharing that with you, everyone. Okay. ओके एवरीबॉडी, ये देख सकते हो हम लोग यहाँ पे ये इनके बारे में, ये जो हमारे फाउंडर है, सो ये हमारे इस फाउंडर के बारे में दिया हुआ है, हमारा वाइट रॉक. ओके एवरीबॉडी, चलो अब आ जाते हैं हम लोग एवरीबॉडी हमारे लॉन्च पूल सेक्शन पे. सो दिस इज आर get.io launch exposed everybody, where यहाँ पे पोस्टेड है कि होडलर एयर ड्रॉप 40,000 white up for grabs, everyone. Okay, so this ye information have been provided on the get.io platform, everybody, जहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि होल्डर एयर ड्रॉप 40,000, ओके, 40,000 वाइट इज अप फॉर ग्रैब्स. So what you need to do, you need to just hold one GT to qualify. The more dollar GT you should hold, you hold, the more airdrops you will be able to earn. Hodler airdrop end time is also given here, which is 8 a.m. tomorrow, May 19th. Guys, you need to mark this date and time, everybody. Which is end time is 8 a.m. May 19 UTC. You can start claiming now. You can start claiming now. It will end tomorrow at 8 a.m. 19 UTC. Trading, you will start your trading, guys. You can start your trading from 12 p.m. May 19 UTC, everybody. So get.io hodler airdrop hashtag white. So it is there. It is given here their X post. Okay, X ID of this project, everyone. White Rock. Powered by White. So an on-chain brokerage for tokenized equities and the bonds. Okay, it is their official Twitter handling of this project, everybody, which I am going through right now. Powered by White. So this link is provided. I have gone through this link and I have read out, share you the whole information, okay, by following this link only. Their official website link is also given here. They have joined on April 2021. Okay, just have a look on their popularity, everyone. They have 36.56 followers, okay, everybody. And it has been followed by the get.io platform. Okay, ये देख सकते हो, ये हमारे May 16 का पोस्ट है गाइज. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है हमारा होल्डर एयर ड्रॉप के बारे में. वाइट रॉक विच इज WHITE 40,000 free airdrops you can claim, everyone. Okay, this is their official Twitter handling, everybody, which I have been provided you. Okay, now we'll see the spot here. We'll see the spot of the GT and we'll see where the GT's market is going on. Okay, holding GT is very much important, everybody. ये देख लेते हैं. तो this is your GT slash USDT spot. Okay, दिस इज योर GT USDT स्पॉट. वॉल्यूम्स काफ़ी अच्छा मिलता हुआ. इट्स अ वेरी राइट टाइम कि आप होल्ड कर कर चलो GT को, एवरीबडी. GT को होल्ड कर कर चलो यहाँ पे, क्योंकि आपको वॉल्यूम काफ़ी अच्छा मिलता हुआ दिख रहा है. मोर ऑफ द GT's वॉल्यूम इज पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, गोइंग इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. ओके एवरीबडी, बहुत अच्छा वॉल्यूम आज के डेट में आज मिलता हुआ एज कंपेरिजन टू यस्टरडे. ओके, as comparison to yesterday, today you are getting a good volume. सपोर्ट की जोन की बात की जाए तो काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट का जोन भी देखने को मिल रहा है, और मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है ये काफ़ी अच्छा सर्ज यहाँ से देखने को मिलेगा, एवरीबॉडी. ठीक है, alright everybody, so this is your GT spot, everyone. This is your GT spot. Okay, okay everybody, GT is holding strongly. Yesterday GT was showing the consolidation at around the 21 के, यही पोजीशन पे हमें consolidation देखने को मिल रहा था. But today GT is just making its way to the 21K. Okay, 21 600, 21.650. Okay. So guys, these are the very important zone. ये जो zones है, these are the very important zone. काफ़ी strongly ये hold किए हुए ये सारे हमारे bars अगर देखो तो more of the we have got here the GT uptrend. Okay everybody, GT uptrend हमें देखने को मिल रहा है. Okay, hold GT for the shorter term. Okay everybody, यहाँ पे चलो just have a look on the volumes. अगर if you'll see here from the 21.626 पे हमें यहाँ पे 21.596 पे तो वॉल्यूम्स काफ़ी स्ट्रांगली होल्ड किए हुए हैं पोजीशन को एवरीबडी. ओके, काफ़ी स्ट्रांगली होल्ड किए हुए हैं पोजीशन को. Investment cost you are getting right now is 21.598 and the percentage change which you are getting here is plus 0.084. Okay everybody, so it's a very good time कि आप यहाँ पे होल्ड कर चलो एवरीबडी. ओके, आप क्लेम कर सकते हो एवरीबडी. बिकॉज वाई सो? बिकॉज GT's मार्केट इज गोइंग वेरी स्ट्रांगली. ओके, एंड वॉल्यूम हमें काफ़ी अच्छा मिलता हुआ है, तो GT को होल्ड कर चलना वुड बी अ वेरी गुड चॉइस फॉर यू. ऑलराइट एवरीबडी, GT को होल्ड कर चलना वुड बी द वेरी गुड चॉइस फॉर यू एवरीवन. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग यू द स्पॉट हियर. GT की स्पॉट को मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. ओके एवरीवन, सो आप देख सकते हो वेरिएशंस, हमारा जो वेरिएशंस मिलता हुआ दिख रहा है GT का. प्राइस बढ़ता हुआ काफ़ी स्ट्रांगली. देख सकते हो वेरिएशंस आप लोग. ओके एवरीबडी, all right. So I have provided you the I think I have provided you the enough information everyone. Just one thing I had left with is risk reminder. The trading market for this currency may experience significant fluctuations due to technical, legal, regulatory and other factors. Please thoroughly understand the project details and conduct sufficient market research. Okay, it's very much important guys, you should conduct a sufficient market research before participating in any projects. We suggest you that you should always conduct a sufficient market research before participating. Get.io cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on various factors, and the official listing announcement shall prevail. By participating in the project, you accept our airdrops terms and conditions. So what is the airdrops terms and conditions? So subscriptions agreement. These are the airdrops terms and conditions everybody. देख सकते हो. You can go through the terms and conditions of the get.io thoroughly. Okay guys, do your own research. Okay everybody, before doing investment in any airdrops, okay everybody, you should be knowing our terms and conditions. Okay, so how to participate in the hodler airdrop? Okay everybody, how to participate in the hodler airdrop? As long as your GT holdings in get.io account is no less than 1, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking or staking GT. Which accounts GT holdings will be included in the calculation? GT holdings in undefined accounts, spot accounts, isolated margin accounts, could copy trading accounts. Goods account, financial account, and payment account. However, GT in crypto loan and GT2 are excluded, everyone. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Airdrop amount कैसे calculate हो रहा है? Once you join the project, okay, the system will track your GT holdings, taking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average hourly holdings, your final holdings. Your final reward is based on your average holdings. All right, everybody. During the entire project period, if your average holdings are below 1 GT, okay, everybody, if your average holdings are below 1 GT, before holdings are below 1 GT, you will not receive any rewards. Final token received is equals to your average hourly holdings by all participants average hourly holdings into total airdrop amount, everybody. All right. What is per GT? Okay, everybody, here is a very important question, that what is per GT? Per GT क्या है? यहाँ पे देखो guys. Okay, everybody, ये per GT is as estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the Hodler airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Okay, please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holdings of all participants and is updated hourly. Okay, just take a dive. Let us take a dive of the GT spot, everybody. GT is making its way to go to a upward direction. Okay, zigzag pattern हमें यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा है, everybody. We have got to see here the zigzag pattern. हमें कुछ अलग सा pattern यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है. So this is something different. Okay, everybody, this is something different, everybody. Whatever the variations here we are looking right now, ये थोड़ा differently यहाँ पे act कर रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा zigzag pattern सा मिलता हुआ. Okay, यहाँ से increase होने की chances काफ़ी ज़्यादा दिखती हुई नज़र आ रही है, everybody. Okay, increase होने की chances काफ़ी ज़्यादा दिखती हुई नज़र आ रही है. पैटर्न यही बनता हुआ दिखेगा, everybody. पैटर्न हमें ये कुछ थोड़ा सा ड्रॉप लेते हुए, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर रेजिस्टेंस के साथ खेलते हुए एक अच्छा इंक्रीज. ओके, स्मॉल डाउन. ओके, स्मॉल changes, it's not a cause of concern, everybody. It's not at all a cause of concern. Small changes, it's not at all a cause of concern, everyone. ओके, सो दिस वुड बी योर एंट्री. आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हो गाइज एंड होल्ड कर कर छोड़ दो. यहाँ पे एंट्री लेकर होल्ड कर कर छोड़ दो यहाँ पे, एवरीबडी. You are at a very good safe position. Okay, you are playing, if you are holding this spot, you are in a safe hand, you are in a safe spot everybody. Okay, you are in a very safe spot. Okay, because यहाँ पे volume मिल रहा है. Okay everybody, that's why I am saying that you are in a very safe spot, because you are getting a very good volume here. Okay everyone, so this is basically this is the GT spot everybody. And GT, why I am just here explaining you the GT spot everybody, because we were talking about this new hodler airdrop, and new hodler airdrop is exclusive for the GT holders. And here is also GT is giving us a two benefits. First, the claim यहाँ पे करने का एक मिल रहा है हमें ये, और दूसरा है कि प्राइस इसका बढ़ता हुआ दिख रहा है. Okay everybody, so this is the difference everyone, this is the difference here. बहुत ही अच्छा स्पॉट मिल रहा है. वॉल्यूम देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम काफी अच्छा मिलता हुआ नजर आ रहा है हमें. डाउन 21577 तक को भी डाउन गया है. हाईएस्ट 21645. यस, 21600 के बाद की जो स्पॉट होगी, 21600 के बाद की जो स्पॉट होगी वो काफ़ी अच्छा आपको देखने को मिलेगी एवरीबॉडी. 21600, 21.600 के बाद बियॉन्ड की जो स्पॉट होगी वो काफ़ी अच्छी दिखने की मिलेगी. बात कर रही हूँ मैं यहाँ. ये वाली जो स्पॉट होगी एवरीबॉडी, यहाँ से एक बहुत अच्छा सर्ज देखने को मिलेगा आपको. ओके, ओके एवरीबॉडी. Are you all understanding or not? If not, please do ask me the questions everybody. Any question related to the airdrop, related to the spot of the GT, please ask me. Any questions related to airdrop? Any question related to the white airdrop? If you have any questions everyone, please do ask me the questions everybody. Okay, I'll be clearing out each and every doubt of yours. Okay guys, देखो increase मिल चुका है. Okay, we have got to see a very very good surge, isn't it everyone? I had told you that we are getting a very good volume here, and just have a look what a surge we have got to see from the GT in a blink of an eye. In a second just GT has shown us a very good surge everybody. Okay everyone, that I told you कि ये you are in a very safe spot. That's why I had told you that, you guys, you are in a very safe spot. And here is the result. Price has increased at a level of 21.613. This was the target of mine, okay, all right, again target has been reached out, and a greater surge till 21.621. That's why this is the this performance of the GT is very very appreciable everyone. Okay everybody, GT, that's why GT is one of the uh, top holding coins everybody. Okay, everyone. If you have any query, please ask me the questions, everybody. ठीक है, देख सकते हो यहाँ पे वेरिएशंस जो हमें मिलता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. How are you all, everyone? कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट्स देख लेते हैं. अगर और इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट्स होगा सब्सक्रिप्शंस यहाँ पे, तो ये हमारा ये हमें टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस देखने को मिल रहा था हमारा. वाई okay, one thing was missing, okay, which was I need to share with you. Yeah, this notes was I was missing out. Okay, this notes was very much important. Okay, so this notes is also very much important. Yes, I was okay missing out this one. Okay, so get token is the unique exchange token of get.io exchange and the native token to the get chain public chain. Hold GT now. Please complete identity verification before participating in startup to enhance the security of your accounts and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. An occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. Where any discrepancy arises between the translated and the English version, the English version shall prevail. Gedatoyo reserves all rights to the final explanation. Okay? Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including participating in this event, games, or the competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricted locations. Okay, risk warning factor is also very much important. Okay, risk warning factor is very much important. All right. So the Hodler airdrop project is a blockchain startup and is still in its early stage. Okay. The project operation underlying technology and legal environment may pose significant risk. The project team does not guarantee that the token price will not lower than its sale price. Okay, please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Okay, the Hodler airdrop project is still in its initial stage. Yes, this line is also very much important, guys. The Hodler airdrop is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Advanced, the number fourth is advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risks of crypto asset investment. The market volatility is high. Okay, everyone, market volatility is high, and the price of a token might fluctuate. Price of the token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and market factors, everybody. Okay, everyone. So ये देख सकते हो हमारा this was the risk warning. Okay, everybody. So this was the risk warning. Okay, take actions. Official website transparency. Oh, all right, everybody. Risk warning. हम देख सकते हो participation rules. I think I have provided you all the relevant information as much as I can. Okay, everybody. चलो स्पॉट पे आ जाते हैं. स्पॉट पे आ जाते हैं. सो प्राइस हैज टेकन अ वेरी वेरी गुड सर्ज एवरीवन. Okay, so GT token has shown us a very strong surge here till 21.640, again increasing. Okay, so price देखो guys, I had told you if BTC broke a zone of this 21.600, then we will be able to see a very good surge from the BTC. And here what is happening with BTC, everybody? BTC has reached a level of today's all-time high of अच्छा, all time at 21.653, almost it is on a way. बहुत ही अच्छा सर्च. ओके, आई हैड टोल्ड यू गाइस दिस कुड बी योर वेरी फेवरेबल जोन और यू आर इन अ वेरी गुड स्टेट ऑफ जोन. ओके, नाउ यू कैन sell out at this moment. Okay, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबडी, ऑल दोज हु हैव जॉइंड माय लाइव. ओके, देख सकते हो कितना बढ़िया इंक्रीज मिलता हुआ जीटी की तरफ से. वी हैव गॉट टू सी अ वेरी गुड सर्च. ओके, here only GT was showing us a good volume. GT was showing us a very good volume. I think ये थोड़ा सा फेक ड्रॉप हो सकता है, तो मैं तो यही सजेस्ट करूंगी कि थोड़ा सा भी होल्ड करो, होल्ड योर स्ट्रेंथ हेयर. ओके, any questions guys, any questions if you have, please ask me. ठीक है, यहाँ पे होल्ड कर कर ही चलो. होल्डिंग वुड बी द वेरी गुड चॉइस फॉर यू राइट हियर. Or all right, everybody. So now this live stream is going to be end. So this live stream was very much very important, guys. Okay, so I was explaining to you the wonderful project. Okay, I was giving you the all the basic relevant informations about this wonderful project of the Hodler airdrop, everyone. So thank you so much, everybody, for joining my live. And thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay blessed, everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day, everybody.